Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of mutton biryani. For this mutton biryani we'll be having separate sets of masala. Okay, first in order to start the mutton biryani I'm going to make yakhni, okay, or stock, mutton stock. So for that what ingredients are required, let me tell you. I'm going to use one medium onion, one bulb of garlic, one small piece of ginger, 1.5 kg of mutton with bone, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 10 cloves, 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 4 to 5 strands of mace, half of nutmeg, 4 black cardamom, around 1 teaspoon of black pepper corns, 6 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. What I will do, I'll take a pan, I will add the meat in it and I will add around 2 to 3 liters of water. Okay, so now I have added water into the meat. Now I'm adding all the garam masala. I'm adding 1 bulb of garlic, onion and ginger, 1 tablespoon salt, and I will boil it until my meat is 70% tender. In order to boil the rice, what I'm going to do is I have already soaked 1 kg of rice in water and they are being soaking for around 30 minutes. Now I've taken a large pot and I filled it up with 16 cup of water and I'm going to add the ingredients into the water. I'm going to use 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black cumin or you can call it shahzira, 4 tablespoon of salt and 2 star anise. Add it into the water. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we will wait for water to boil and then we will add rice to this water to boil them. Now the water is boiling. I will add my 1 kg of rice in it. Now we will just wait till the water is coming to a boil and then we will remove the rice. That usually take 5 minutes. So we'll just wait for 5 minutes. Once there is a boil in the water, I will show you the condition of rice and I will discard the water and I'll keep the rice for the biryani. Now this is the condition. When you see that, take a rice and you see you need to put some effort in order to break it. Okay, so at this point of time, exactly after 7 minutes, we are going to discard the water and strain the rice. Take a large tray or large plate and then spread the rice over. Now we will come to the ingredients for masala. Okay, the ingredient for masala, first of all, these are the dry masalas that I'm going to use and I'll be grinding them. So I'm using half teaspoon of cumin, 5 to 6 cloves, 5 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 3 to 4 strands of mace, 2 sticks of cinnamon, half of nutmeg, 2 large pieces of bay leaf. Next set of dry spices is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 7 to 8 aloo bukharas or prunes, 1 cup of ghee, 1 large lemon for the garnishing purpose or the layering purpose, half kg tomatoes very thinly sliced, 1 cup yogurt, quarter cup of ginger garlic paste, green chilies I'm using around 15, okay, 1 bunch of coriander and 1 bunch of mint, kevda, 4 small potatoes, cut it into half. We'll be using them in the biryani gravy. I fried 2 large onions and I have kept them aside. Now what I'm going to do is, my meat is already ready, my stock is ready. So this is the situation of my meat after cooking for around 1 hour. It's tender. I have taken the same ghee in which I have fried the onion. Now I'm going to add the meat inside of this. Ginger garlic paste. All my dry spices. Masala that we separated for biryani, specifically I have just hand crushed it. This is the 1 cup of yogurt. I'm adding the total masala here. I will mix it and I will add half of the yogurt right now. Okay, now I have added yogurt and half cup of water. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. We will cook the masala with potatoes until the potatoes are tender. Mix tomatoes, chilies, coriander and half of the mint bunch. Okay, and keep it at a side. Okay, I'm checking after around 10 minutes my potatoes are done. At this point I'm going to add dried prunes, aloo bukhara, okay, and I will just give it a stir. The stock that I have separated from the mutton, it's here. I'll be adding around 1 cup of mutton stock into this. Now I will add half of the, or more than half of this, and coriander and mint and green chili and lemon juice mix. I'll just keep this much. At this point, just slow down your flame. Some of the fried onion. Now I will add the rice. I will add half of my yogurt mix. Tomatoes. I have taken 1 cup of milk and I have added orange color into it. So I will pour some of this mixture on top of it, on top of the rice. Around half of it. Onion. Sliced lemons. Balanced rice. Half cup of mutton stock and then this yellow food coloring. Some green chilies. Fried onion. More lemon. At this point I will add around 1 teaspoon of kevda. I'll cover the pot with aluminium foil. For starting 5 minutes I'll keep the flame high and then I will make it slow and I will cook it for around 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to open the biryani after around 25 minutes. Let's check. It's ready. I'll just dish it out. can check the situation of rice. See how long it is and soft. I will dish it out and share with you the pictures.